Microsoft definitely loves gray lately. Mice, keyboards, everything. I even wear Surface pants. But have you ever seen this issue with some of the products going yellow? I solved mine. You can't remove these. If you want to solve yours, please stick around. So first off, I Googled it. A lot of people were having this issue, but I couldn't find any reported solutions. What I did was I called the local, like whatever your country Microsoft customer support is for personal or business, and then you just go into accessories and hardware. So this mouse here is over a year and a half old and the warranty is only 1 year. But because this is a manufacturer's defect in the hardware, because of the coating on it, probably just from like sweating or whatnot, they will kind of indefinitely replace it because it's a manufacturer's defect in the hardware. So they did say that they will ship whatever color they have available. So they have in this mouse a black and a gray. And I said, because I got the Surface keyboard, if you could please ship the gray. And they said, we'll put a note to ship the gray. And basically, I'm gonna have to, she provided me a UPS or FedEx, I picked UPS, mailing label. They just want the mouse sent back when they receive it. So I'll be mouseless for a few days. They will send back the replacement. Hopefully they actually have revved the hardware on it and they do not have this coating in here. I'm not sure if you see a rev here or whatnot, but hopefully this information is helpful for people that might be affected with this particular mouse or any other Microsoft products that are gray that start yellowing. I am very excited for the new replacement mouse to come because this is an amazing mouse. Love it. And I hope you guys found this helpful and useful. If you did, please like and subscribe and have a great day.